Kai. Today we are learning the new word kai. It can mean a meeting, like when you gather with friends or colleagues to chat about important stuff, like how to conquer the world over snacks. It can also refer to an association, like the karate club that meets every Wednesday to practice being ninja warriors. And if you're counting how many times you've eaten sushi this month, you can use kai to describe that too. So, whether it's a social gathering, a formal meeting, or simply counting events, kai has got you covered. It's a versatile little word, much like a Swiss Army knife, but much cuter. Now, repeat after me. Kai, kai, kai. During a family reunion at a park, someone mentions having a fun meeting, saying, 公園での家族の会が楽しかった. Which means the family gathering at the park was fun. 公園での家族の会が楽しかった. 公園での家族の会が楽しかった. At an office, a manager tells the team about their upcoming business meeting, saying, 来週の会議について話しましょう. Which means, let's talk about the meeting next week. 来週の会議について話しましょう. 来週の会議について話しましょう. When students gather to discuss their interests in a specific subject, they might say they are part of a club or association, like this. 私たちは数学の会に参加しています. Which means, we are part of the math club. 私たちは数学の会に参加しています. 私たちは数学の会に参加しています. A person explaining about a community service group they belong to, they would mention their participation in such an organization. 私は環境保護の会に入っています. Which means, I belong to the Environmental Protection Organization. 私は環境保護の会に入っています. 私は環境保護の会に入っています. Now, let's dive into the kanjis. The kanji kai in these words means to meet or meeting, and it is integral to a lot of social and professional vocabulary in Japanese. For example, ao simply means to meet, which you might use when discussing meeting friends or colleagues. Then we have kaisha, which means company. Here, the idea of kai reflects an organization where people regularly meet or gather for work. Lastly, kaigi translates to meeting or conference, directly linking this kanji to formal gatherings, typically for discussion or decision-making processes. Finally, let's practice the word kai with some questions. Can you make a sentence about a meeting, kaigi, starting at a specific time? Think about your own schedule. 今日の会議は3時から始まります. Today's meeting will start at 3 o'clock. 今日の会議は3時から始まります. 今日の会議は3時から始まります. Can you write a sentence that mentions a meeting, kaigi, happening tomorrow? Consider the schedule of your meetings. 会議は明日です. The meeting is tomorrow. 会議は明日です. 会議は明日です. Can you form a sentence about holding a meeting, kai, for travel, 旅行? Imagine planning an exciting trip. 私たちは明日旅行の会を開きます. We will hold a travel meeting tomorrow. 私たちは明日旅行の会を開きます。私たちは明日旅行の会を開きます。Can you make a sentence indicating that anyone, 誰, can join a gathering, 会? Consider open community events. この会は誰でも参加できます。Anyone can participate in this gathering. この会は誰でも参加できます。この会は誰でも参加できます。Remember, folks, whether it's kaiing your friends at a party or kaiing to the next level of your favorite hobby, make sure to like this video and subscribe so we can keep learning together. Until next time, keep smiling and kaiing good vibes only. Peace out.